Alright guys, so today we're going to be unboxing and checking out these new Asceny keyboard cables. These are coiled aviator cables, I believe. We're going to check them out, get my first impressions, check the quality, see if they're worth it. And then also going to be talking about a giveaway at the end of the video as well. I got one running on my Discord right now. Feel free to check the link in the description and check it out there. But what's going on, guys? Welcome back to Too Much Tech, and let's get into the unboxing. Buy alpacas for alpacas. Do not use this cable if you're a koala. They all say, yeah, they pretty much all say that. Yep, there's different colors. Interesting, huh? Flexible coil, plastic molded connectors, double sleeve, extra thickness, and improved design. Let's see what these are all about. Do they have aviators? They actually don't have aviators. That's interesting. I thought that they would have aviators, but I guess not. So in the box, you guys get some stickers, a little plastic piece, and then the cable, obviously. Let's check the springiness. It's like decently springy. It's just, it feels like it's just missing the aviator. And I guess for 25 bucks, you really can't complain because this at least gets you the biggest part of the look, which is at least, you know, having the coil cable. And then this connector, it's a plastic connector. It's actually pretty nice too. USB Type-C is pretty nice. And then you got the Asceny logo right there on this plastic housing as well. And then you have Asceny text. No logo on the USB-A port, but this is going to be plugged into the back of your PC anyway, so it's not really the end of the world. But let's go ahead and check here. The SK64S fits right in, no issues there. It's actually not bad. It's not a Tech Flex, it's like a PET material, which I'm not sure what that is, but it's different, that's for sure. Like, I haven't really seen this material used on these types of cables beforehand, so it's definitely different. I guess if you want something inexpensive and different on your desk, but I do like the color matched USB bits as well, like the little plastic connectors. I think that's a nice touch. It's not, you know, just generic, like just a generic white on a blue or a pink cable even. Like, even on the pink, I think that this one looks pretty good. This is like a hot pink too. Like, this is actually a really nice color. I like this a lot. Like, if you had like some pink keycaps on your keyboard, I think that these will match well. But let's check out the white one last. Obviously, you know, it's just a white cable. It's nothing really too special, but it's not bad, you know, I would say. I think this one is pretty decent as well. But yeah, guys, that is pretty much all I've got for this video. Now, personally, would I rather buy this or spend a little bit more to get something with an aviator? I mean, it depends. If your budget is $25 and you want it relatively quickly, because these are available on Amazon. I mean, $25 on Amazon comes in a few days. That's kind of hard to beat, yeah. But this isn't going to be, you know, obviously like your end all be all or like your completely custom solution. That's not really the point of this. But it would be nice if like they had another version that for like $5 or $10 more came with an aviator. That would be nice. Aviators are nice. We like those. So maybe for the next version, they'll take that and add aviators for $10 or something like that. But alright, guys, that's gonna be it for this video. If you guys enjoyed, be sure to drop a like and subscribe if you guys are new. Like I said, we do have a giveaway running for these cables as well. The link is in the description below. It's happening in my Discord channel. The giveaway is probably gonna end, I would say within a week or so. Let's not this Saturday, but next Saturday. I'll put the date on the screen when the giveaway will end. So after that point, if you're watching this video, you'll know that it's over by now. But we do giveaways all the time. Be sure to stay tuned. And yeah, thank you guys once again for watching. I will catch you in the next video.